on our next panelist, who is Ambassador Humprey Orjiako from Imo State. Ambassador, please, you have the virtual lectern now. Are you muted?
Can you hear me?
Okay, yes.
Very good. Ambassador Orjiako represents a group of Igbo retired career ambassadors. And I consulted them extensively before this webinar. And they gave me a 7-point agenda to deliver to you for consideration. So because of the time limit we have, let me just go straight ahead and read them out. They said, please, their concern is who is going to be the next Igbo President General. Whoever it is have to have these issues in mind. He should lead restoration of the original wisdom of federalism, the violation of which is the bane of Igbo in particular and Nigeria in general. That's number one. Two, a leader who must try to overcome the emergent Igbo individualism, hypermaterialism, the defining value of Igwebuike, the spirit brother's keeper among the Igbo. Three, robustly reject the blame for Nigeria's condition on the Igbo, which we are saying. In that regard, never again allow the Igbo nation to be isolated, effective assault for conquest and humiliation. We must establish a pan-Igbo organizing committee for a sustainable program of outreach to build a national alliance of the willing to deliver a restructured Nigeria. Four, recognize the work of Ohaneze to be the de facto and the jure apex body of the Igbo. Six, to close the gap between Igbo political elites and the Igbo collective. Attract back the Igbo intelligentsia from their prolonged sabbatical to the seats of power, governance, and relevance in Igbo land. Finally, to develop a reliable, lasting funding scheme that guarantees Ohaneze a high degree of financial autonomy to perform its duties. A poor king is a weak king. I have discussed this with Emeka Ugwoju. Finally, to structure a commission, a committee to deal with international information giving, knowledge, and support of Igbo condition in Nigeria. This, we have worked extensively with the outgoing President General of Ohaneze, that is the Igbo retired career ambassadors. We have worked with him extensively on this, and we are going to promote it and push it further. If we have a new president, we can all rally around. Thank you so very much. I hope I haven't taken more time than you let me. Bye.
Well, thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Thank you. It is good to know that you said you consulted with your colleagues. For me, today I'm hearing for the first time of the Association of Igbo Career Ambassadors who are retired. So if you do not mind, sir, you may wish to also advise your colleagues that the visibility of the organization be improved, its purpose also be explained, and its further integration be part of its objective. The suggestions made are quite apt, and they address to the incoming PG of Ohaneze to restore wisdom of federalism. In other words, Ohaneze is being called upon to intervene and ensure that true federalism becomes part of our everyday experience to overcome the emergent...